committed to global support. That's the Renishaw way. Buying a product from us is just the start of how we can help you. You might be wondering how to get engineering support, obtain spare parts, or find out about the latest upgrades and software. Well, don't worry, we are here to help. We are as meticulous about our customer support services as we are about our innovative product development. We have 80 offices in 36 countries, so we can provide you with comprehensive after-sales support whenever you may need it. From engineering support, repairs and calibration, to software, upgrades, training, custom products and spares, we continue to invest in providing comprehensive after-sales support wherever you are and whenever you may need us. As your trusted partner for innovation, you can always rely on us to keep your operations running. Discover our global after-sales support. Experience our commitment to you.